Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna make a traditional Cambodian dish which is called cha Kreung sạch muan or stir-fried chicken with lemongrass paste. And here are the ingredients: pre-sliced chicken, celery, Thai chili pepper, and lemongrass paste. And I have the link to the video recipe of the lemongrass paste in the description box. Let's start the cooking, guys. Here I have a pan and I will turn on the heat and add about 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. And I use vegetable oil this time. After 2 to 3 minutes, our pan is heated. Now we could add in our lemongrass paste. And I made this previously, so it is a little frozen, but it's okay. We will heat it until it becomes a paste. Once our paste is thawed out and is coming to this form, we will let it cook for about 1 to 2 more minutes. Now we could add in our chicken. Now we could stir fry our chicken so it can mix really well with the paste. Once our chicken is 75% cooked, we could add in our seasonings, which is about 1.5 teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of sugar, one teaspoon of chicken base mix, and a half teaspoon of tamarind mix. And if you like it more sour, you could add some more. After we add our seasoning, now we could stir fry it all together. The chicken, the lemongrass paste, and the seasonings. Now let's add in our vegetables, which are the celeries and chili pepper. To speed up the cooking process, we will cover it with a lid. And we will cover it for about 5 minutes. And we will continue to stir fry it until all of the liquid evaporate. Most of the liquid are evaporated. Our stir fry is done, guys. Now let's plate it. This dish is such a traditional dish, but it does need holy basil. But since we don't have any, we could leave it out. I usually eat this with a bowl of steamed rice or any other carb you would like. The chili pepper is optional, but it adds a really nice kick to the dish. Thanks guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment below, and I will see you in my next video.